gates open, they're up and racing. Canadian Girl, Friends for Never. Moving up by the rail to take the lead. Colossal catching the third spot. Then followed by Doc. Third choice running on the outside is Galing Galing. Rider left unseated. Jackie Angelo Carlo teaching left unseated on top of horse Galing Galing as they race towards the last 600. Two runners are fighting it out for the lead. Running by the rail, Friends for Never, Mr. Class, rather Canadian Girl on the outside as they race towards the final 450. Two runners keep on fighting it out for the lead. Canadian Girl running on the outside, Friends for Never by the rail, and racing in 30s Colossal Doc. Third choice, Mr. Classmate. As they swing for home, it's Canadian Girl, Friends for Never by the rail. Still keep on matching their strides together. Canadian Girl, Friends for Never moving up by the rail. Canadian Girl shuffle back in second, moving up is entry number 3, Mr. Classmate. Doc, third choice with 50 meters. It's all Friends for Never. Mr. Classmate, Canadian Girl, Doctor Choice. Then comes Golden Arazi, Preciosa for your Pentafecta.
Okay, 4, 3, 8, 9.